Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to change your username on Windows. Now, I want to see my username. Press Ctrl with Alt with Delete together. Then click on Change a Password. Here we can see our username. My username is admin. I want to change. If you want to change your username, then keep watching. For changing your username, come to Search here, type Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. Then come here, View by, click here, change to large icon. Here we have user account. Click on user account. Then here is change your account name. Click on change your account name. Here we have one field. Here is new account name. Enter your new account name. Now my account is admin. I want to change to my admin. For example, my admin. Okay. Now click here, change name. Look, we successfully changed our admin to my admin. Guys, if this video is helpful, don't forget to like this video. If you are new, subscribe the channel for more useful content. Have a good day. See you soon.